What's up, guys? Don't mind me literally pouring sweat. It's 100 degrees today, absolutely miserable. But we're going to be starting this video off by doing something that I love and sometimes really hate, but it is a crucial part of the process, that being staying on my marketplace grind. So we are going to be saying goodbye to the wheels and tires that came on Gamble. Finally have a buyer lined up for these. Going to be meeting him in 10-15 minutes, so I actually got to get on the road. But I think this video is going to be a new setup on G Code. Hopefully the truck looks a good bit different than what it currently does. Bumpers white, exhaust on, new grille, suspension performance. I don't really know. I'm filming this probably a couple weeks in advance of what will end up being the video. So either way, just wanted to bring y'all along for a little vlog to start this off, because this is something that I am constantly doing. So deal is done, got us some cash, and I guess it's time for me to decide what wheels and tires we want to put on this thing. I don't know where in the world they got the camera at. Oh, there it is. There is the freaking camera. This is hilarious. Don't be throwing anything in this dumpster if you ain't an employee, and especially if you drive something white, because they will put a picture of you up here. That is freaking hilarious. But we have officially gotten step number one, or part number one, piece number one, whatever, of our new setup. Let's check it out, because I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all boys. I was on Marketplace trying to sell y'all's Gladiators, saying they 60, 70, 80% tread. They ain't. Gosh, dog. Yes. I got more Gladiators. Even though these have been an absolute nightmare, honestly, they ride like garbage. And the only reason why I bought these is, one, because I think they're the best looking tire for a 24. There's your little tease. Yes, 24s. That just broke some hearts or made some people happy. But they're super aggressive, and if you get them new and take care of them, dude, they ride really good. I've had like 4 sets of these Gladiators, and I've never had any issues out of them whatsoever. Now, if you do have a bad front end, older truck that you haven't had fresh ball joints and tie rods, or you don't get in alignment and stuff, it's gonna ride like garbage after 10,000 miles, because they're gonna start doing just like these did. Low lug, high lug. They get all kind of out of whack. And so, yeah, you got to take care of them. But what I was getting at, take a look. Monster tread. So even this said to be 80. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. And I've never seen this set up on an F-150 before. I'm sure it's been done, but like I said, I just haven't seen one. Anyways, I'm gonna get these unloaded at the house, and we'll wait for hopefully tomorrow where our wheels are gonna show up. Well, I said I wasn't gonna show you all the wheels until the reveal, but I was sitting here grabbing some thumbnail photos, and with the cover on the wheels still, they have this like two-tone black chrome, regular chrome look to them, which I honestly wish they were. That looks super freaking cool. It is time to roll down to Chico's, get these babies mounted and balanced, and get these babies gone. Let me know in the comments, do we put an older car on the channel? That freaking Trans Am was nasty. That's my like earliest memory, is in a car at least. My dad let me drive, I don't even know how old I was, in a parking lot, Trans Am like that, and it went like 10 miles an hour without touching the gas, and I was like, dude, this is the most insane thing known to man. All right, boys, we are all unloaded. We're gonna grab some grub, let them mount them up. This is about as close as we get to having the cool mountains in the background like y'all do up north or out west. That's the local quarry. Stop by to get a monster, because I honestly just don't even know what to do. It's amazing how long an hour and a half can drag by when you got nowhere to be. It's 100 degrees. You don't want to sit inside Zaxby's anymore. I kind of want to try to go over this mountain right here and find the quarry, because I looked it up on the maps. Picture here. Really cool, like water, but I'm sure I can't get back there. This guy's for sure having a bad day. That's the back glass busted out. Yeah. That's not fun when it's literally 100 degrees. Not at all. And your job is to cut grass, so you're in the heat all day, and your one escape from that is your AC. And yeah, y'all send prayers for this man. He crying. They're not quite done, but let's go check out this old school rig. This thing's freaking sweet. I can't imagine how much money you got to put into something this old to get to look this good. Oh, for sale, $24,500. Holy crap. Not quite done on the inside, but that is freaking nasty. I'm guessing that's the fuel tank. That's freaking sick. getting them all loaded up. This guy just ran a tire in the side of my truck and didn't even say anything. Here we go, last one. Guys, well, here she is. Cheat Code is definitely rocking the new 24-inch reps and 35-inch X comps. I don't even care what comment you leave. You ain't going to change my mind on this one. It turned out better than I was even hoping for. Definitely giving me some OG baby squat vibes for sure. Even more so than my Trail Boss. Dude, I'm freaking in love with it. It's so freaking good. So these are 24-inch Expedition reps. I think you can get them in 22 factory. And then obviously reps, if you don't know, they're just oversized factory wheels. And dude, the design is so freaking good for this body style. Most of the Chevy guys are probably gonna say it's very reminiscent of a Snowflake, which I could see. There's several different Chevy reps that are similar to this. So for anyone that's new, 2-inch front leveling kit, removed the rear blocks and did 1-inch drop shackles, and she sits pretty freaking nice. I definitely think we need to go up a little bit more, do a full maybe inch higher all around, at least in the front for sure. But it does not rub at all, believe it or not, which is crazy for just a 2-inch front leveling kit. Lock to lock, absolutely no rubbing, which I did find out from one of y'all in the comment section. The regular cabs don't have the crash bar in the front, because my 21 did, but it was crew cab. So if you have, I think, extended cab or crew, you will have a front crash bar, whereas the regular cabs only have the rear. And as you can see, it does not rub anywhere. Not touched, not touched. It's crazy. I'm so stoked with it, and thank goodness it freaking rides good now, because oh my gosh, those old X comps, that was horrible. Which I'm not sure if some of the sticklers will be happy that those are gone and these are on, because can't please some people, but I'm loving it, dude. Zoom in, take a little step back. Dude, I'm so stoked for it. Ready for the new grill to go on and some more paint match for sure, which is all gonna tie in together perfectly. Big elbow tip makes a little bit more sense for y'all now, I bet. Of course, I had all this envisioned for quite a while now. I think it looks super good. It is funny though, the elbow tip, I got like rust running out of mine, because on your diesel, you know, you got soot that covers that up. But here, the condensation leaks out, and it's got like a, let me just show y'all, it's funny. Little trail of rust. What the heck? That's why they're supposed to be on a diesel. Just set it up nice and black, you would never see it. But dude, I'm just so freaking tickled with it. I'm gonna just sit here and walk around it all day long. I love it. I think we'd probably for sure hold the only, and like I said, I have not seen these on any other F1. I'm sure someone has it. I just hadn't seen a YouTube video or Instagram post about it. And so there's a little micro record we hold, I think. Another micro record I think I want to do is go to the track and be the fastest stock tune on 24s and 35s. I think that'd be pretty cool. I think it'd lay down a pretty impressive time. It feels just as fast, if not maybe faster than those 20s and X comps that were on here. Those were really heavy. What do we got? Got an airplane landing. Oh, he just took off. He'd be wreaking havocs. He'd be wreaking havoc on me because he flies all over this lake and then comes over the farm while I'm in the middle of filming. I guess if you got a plane, you just kind of rule the roost everywhere. Anyways, what was I saying? I guess I'll let him go by and then we'll talk. Honestly, I can't even remember what we were talking about. Between the cicadas and the airplane, I got heavily distracted, but I ain't gonna ramble on anymore. Truck looks absolutely amazing to me, but y'all be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think about it. What do you think we should do next? And with that said, leave a like if you did enjoy, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification, check out the links in the description. I'll see y'all boys in the next one.